present she gave me, which is a QR code that goes to Linktree. Right? And with these fine gentlemen, these jewelers, we're gonna connect up on Instagram.
Light because of
Oh yeah,
reflection.
it's got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
On Instagram, nice.
Perfect.
This is cool.
Like those, in my opinion.
Alright, so not like sold or anything like that.
What's that?
Nothing can't be like sold or anything like that.
Okay, you can do that. I mean, that's not a bad idea.
Let's do a selfie.
I love my pin so much. Thank you, thank you.
So much. Love it.
Прекрасный подарок. Моя новая бизнес-карточка.
Yes, my business card. He follow you. Okay.
The time is always now. And at this very moment, we are at the Coconut Grove Market in Miami with Glow Art brand. What Glow Art brand does, it puts your business on this type of QR codes.
Okay, so I'm trying my first barcode that it's actually designed as a kind of a necklace or it can be a bracelet.
Yeah, I'm very happy with my new QR code for my business. It's a great way to have people contact you and get all my information. Thank you very much, Tatiana.